Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now, in a few days time, 2020 will come to an end and we'll begin a new year, 2021. Let's hope 2021 brings us a better year, because it's been a horrible year across the world, and hopefully 2021 will be better. Now, at the end of every year, I try and do a different promotion, something bigger and better than I've done all year. Now, this year is no different. The only difference is I've tried to do it bigger and better than I've ever done before. But I'm going to tell you about my promotion in a few minutes' time. Let me tell you first about the competition that I have that starts today and closes on the 26th of December. Now, in this competition, one lucky winner can win every single bonus pack that I have put out in 2020. That's right, every single bonus pack, including limited bonuses, exclusive bonuses, every single bonus pack you can win in this competition. Plus, you can also win access to my mentorship. Now, I'm going to be doing a 12-month mentorship. There's going to be a 1-hour Zoom call every month, a Skype group, and I will help you either get your business started or make your business better, get it off the ground. So that's an amazing prize. All you need to do, comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel, because when I announce the winner on the 26th of December, you don't want to miss that, so you make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you'll see the winner video. Now, as I said, my promotion for the end of the year, I wanted to make bigger and better than I've ever done before. In this bonus, what you can claim is access to every single bonus that I've put out for 2020. That includes limited packs, it includes exclusive packs. Every single bonus that I've put out in 2020, you can get access to as part of this bonus. But it's going to be very, very limited. One part of the bonus is limited to 25 people, so it's going to be really first come, first served. Now, not only can you get all my bonuses for 2020, but you can also take part in that mentorship. Now, again, you will be able to jump on a Zoom call with me once a month. I'll be able to help you either build your business better or get your business off the ground. So that'll be 1-hour Zoom call every month for 12 months, plus you'll get access to the Skype group as well. And as I said, it's very, very limited. Now, if you want to, get on the early bird list for this bonus, and believe me, you do want to be on it, is take a look in this description below. You'll find a link to the pre-sale bonus page. You can get your downloads there as well, but on that page you will be able to join the early bird list. So it's right on the pre-sale bonus page. So to enter the competition, comment on the video, like, share, subscribe. To get ready for that bonus on the 26th of December, make sure that you go to the link, join the early bird list, and watch out for my email and video on the 26th. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.